Engqungqutheleni ebibanjwe i-EFF ekuqaleni kwaleli sonto, umholi we-EFF uJulius Malema uthe zisazoqhubeka nokunyuka igaba zohlelo lokucisha konga ugesi kuleli. Kungakapheli nesikhathi esingakanani uMalema esho lokhu, i-Eskom ikhiphe isexwayiso sokuthi elakuleli lizofinyelela esigabeni sesishiyagalombili sohlelo lokucisha konga ugesi.
As a leader of the opposition and as a revolutionary, you have to be an advanced detachment of your society and always be ahead. So I know for a fact that there was an exchange between FBI and our secret service here at home where information was given that we are likely to have a grid collapse in the next 2 weeks.
Odabeni lwe-Russia, uMalema uthi ababonisi ku-Russia kunalokho bayayeseka.
We are with Russia, we are not denouncing Russia. And we'll give it weapons if we're a state. There's no confusion about that.
Uqhubeke wathi kulolu khetho lwangonyaka ozayo bazoqinisekisa ukuthi i-ANC ayibuyele emandleni ngobhotsho.
We are not going to bring the ANC through a back door. We are going to bring a radical policy of the EFF through the front door. Because anyone who's going to go with the EFF in the coalition after 2024 election, we have to expropriate South Africa's land.
Uphethe ngelokuthi i-EFF njengoba ikhankasa kangaka nje ingoba ifuna ukuguqula isimo sakuleli esesibukeka singathembisi. Silindo kuhle ngidi eindabeni ze-SABC.